Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth again from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And thanks for joining me today for something a little bit different. November 1st, we have a new product that is coming to our customers. Demonstrators have already have their hands on it, and I want to share it with you. So let's get started. I'm going to start with sharing some of the items that are in the Fitting Florets bundle. The bundle in total that's available on November 1st comprises of 6 different items. Some of the items are available starting November 1st while supplies last, and some items, including this, will be available starting on November 1st, but will also be carrying over into the new mini catalog that's available on January the 4th. So I'm going to start off with the Framed Florets bundle, which is available November 1st and is carrying over into the new mini catalog. It consists of a stamp set, 13 stamps. It is photopolymer, and Stampin' Up! Has put the images on the inside, which makes life so much easier. And it also consists of 13 dies. First thing I want to mention is that starting with the January mini, the dies are going to have the same name as the stamp set. Folks, if you can give me a round of applause for that, we'd appreciate it, because this is going to make our lives so much easier. Framed Florets dies, Framed Florets stamp set. There's my applause. I've taken the case off of this because I've taken them off of the board so I can share them with you. So there's 13 dies. When you get this, there are 2 cardboards, so be careful. They're on 2 different sheets when you open this up, so don't think you're missing anything. Their sheets are back to back. When the dies are large, they have to put them on 2 boards. So we've got a frame here, and we've got this really pretty frame, and we have this frame. This frame cuts out the hearts, does not cut out the circle. Just wanted to let you know that. However, if you want to cut out the circle, you would layer that one on the inside like that. And then this one gives you a really pretty detail. This does cut out the circle. I haven't played with this yet because I have 2 swaps. I didn't want to cut into the designer series paper until I did this video. I will be posting cards later, but I wanted to share with you the components, including the designer series paper, before I cut it up. So you've got those 3 frame elements. You've got this die, which coordinates, I think, with this flower. There we go, like that. This is a background. This will be a background sort of freestanding element. This one will cut out that stamp image. I'm guessing here, I think this is another background or a freestanding one. This one is that die there. I'm just going by eye here because I'm not really sure. This one will cut out that one. Another freestanding one, yeah, another freestanding die. This one will probably cut out that, it does. And then these 2 will die cut out that one and that one. So that's the coordination with the Framed Florets dies. These, again, I'm going to repeat, will be available starting November 1st through to January the 4th. But they will be carrying over into the new mini catalog. So this bundle is $74.50. And if you want to write down the number, wait until you see the designer series paper. I was so sold on this bundle, and everybody that I know that has seen and has the bundle fell in love with it. So it's $74.50, and it is 162407 is the order number. Remember, I'm in Canada, so those are Canadian prices. So that is available November 1st through to the end of June, at least, 2023. Another thing that we have is, they're called The gold adhesive backed swirls. I'm going to bring them up and see if you can see them. They kind of look like little buttons with swirls on them. And you can color them with the blends, Stampin' Blends, if you wanted to color them different colors. And how many are here? There's 75 in here. Okay, so these are number 161822, and they are $11.75. This is available November 1st through to January 4th, or while supplies last. This is not carrying over. It's the framed and festive. And I know when you see the other stamp set and when you see the designer series paper, you're going to think, what? But it's gorgeous. Merry Christmas, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. From our home to yours, from all of us, Noel, may this season be filled with peace and joy, and have yourself a merry little Christmas. Set of 8. It is a red rubber stamp set. And this is called the Frame and Festive stamp set. It's number 160888. It's $32, and it is a limited time only, starting November the 1st through to January 4th. So just so you're aware of that. So this is a limited time only, and this is a limited time only. The last limited time only is the designer series paper, and it is called the Fitting Florets 12 by 12. And it is $16.50, and it's number 161814. The colors in this are Balmy Blue, Blushing Bride, Crushed Curry, Evening Evergreen, Night of Navy, Polished Pink, and Soft Succulent. Paper is gorgeous. Paper's gorgeous. All right. Oh, and how many sheets there are? 12 sheets, 2 each of 6 double-sided designs. So this is one side, and that's the other side. Like, you could use this paper and see the little berries on the end here. Just use your Stampin' Blend and put red dots on it to make it look like holly berries. Pretty. And so this paper, I wish Stampin' Up! would have carried this over, because it's gorgeous. We've got this side, and then we've got this on the other side. This is very wintry, even though it's flowers. To me, it looks very wintry. And then that is the other side. We've got this side, and some of the dies do cut out some of the flowers. I think this is one of the flowers it cuts out. We've got that side, and we've got this side. As can't remember if I mentioned this, but I'm doing 2 swaps using this bundle, and I wanted to showcase the product and the designer series paper before I started cutting into it. So I don't actually have any card samples to share with you yet, but I will definitely be posting some. And there's the other side. That's one side, and there's the other side. And I will also be posting, posted on, I think, my private VIP Facebook page, the video that Stampin' Up! Has done about the bundle and some of the card samples, but I'm going to share with you the advertisement and showcase some of the cards that, a couple of the cards. I know these are really over the top, but see this card here? Love, love, love it. And this is what sold me on this bundle, this card right here. And see, it's a Christmas card, fa la 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 la, but it turned out beautiful. Love how they used the vellum in the background, and they've did the larger frame and then popped up the smaller frame, and then put the vellum on the inside of it. And on this card, you will see how the hearts, it would be perfect for Valentine's Day, how the hearts were used to cut out that frame, but then they used the smaller frame on the inside to cut out the inside circle. Because if you wanted to, you could just do the die cut out on the circle without cutting in. You could do the heart die cut without cutting in a circle as well. So that's the fitting. I have a hard time with this, folks. The Fitting Florets bundle. If you wanted it all together, it's $134.75, and all together the number is 163129, and that's the Frame Florets bundle, the framed and festive stamp set, the Fitting Florets Designer Series paper, and the gold adhesive back swirls. So I just wanted to share that with you before I start cutting into the paper, because you need to see it sometimes. An advertisement or a full flyer like this, I don't think you get the true impression of the paper. The video that Stampin' Up! Has done, they've also done a really cute box, and they've wrapped it in this and made it a Christmas box, because, you know, while this on its own I don't think screams Christmas, you can, like, to me, this is wintry. This could be wintry, right? This could be Christmas. This obviously could be Christmas. This is obviously Christmas. This is wintry. So, oh, man, I just fell in love with this paper. Paper and envelopes are my thing, folks. Okay, so just wanted to give you a heads up that this is coming on November 1st, and you're going to be seeing lots of cards made with this. So what do you think? It's a great bundle. I love it. And I can't wait to share with you some of the creations that I come up with. I'll be posting them on Facebook, on the blog, and I'll actually do a couple of videos here up on YouTube as well. So thanks for stopping by. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, notify, all that kind of wonderful stuff, because your encouragement keeps me going. Take care, happy stamping, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.